Oh, my heart be still. Isn't that gorgeous? $3.51. Manual. So let me show you what I have found. This is cute as it can be. Lots of traffic here, but we have a Volkswagen Spider. We have a Rocket here. These are all made from car parts. Got an old police car up there. We'll walk up there in a minute and look at that. Isn't this cute? I guess we can walk on the grass. Even the mailbox is made out of pulleys. Ain't that cute? From cars. It doesn't say no trespassing, it just says don't park in the driveway. So I guess we can come up here and take pictures and walk around his yard. An old police car. And it looks like it has a speaker box for a movie theater. Isn't that cool? Old truck. That is just too cute. I'm not going to go any further up in the yard. It's got the little phone on there. I'm at Willoughby Sharp Avenue Cemetery, and the reason I'm here is because of the obscure Atlas. I always say that backwards. It's Atlas Obscure. I am probably parked where another car cannot get past me. Maybe I should move. Let me move my van and then we'll continue with this story. Alright, so we're in the cemetery and we are looking for the gravesite of the girl in blue. In December 1933, there was a young lady dressed completely in blue. She had a blue dress, blue hat, blue purse, blue shoes, and she had 70 cents in that blue purse. She spoke to a few people along the way. It was a blistery night in Ohio, and she stepped out in front of the train and was killed. The townspeople took up a collection and had her buried. Someone donated a plot in this cemetery, and the tombstone simply read, "The Girl in Blue." And after 60 years, with, she had a train ticket to Corey, Pennsylvania in that purse with 70 cents. And that's all she had, no identification or nothing. And so the townspeople just kind of took her under their wing and spent 60 years trying to find out who she was. And they finally found out who the girl in blue was. So let's go see if we can find her grave. I'm not sure I can find it, but we'll look. Okay, so here's the first clue. It said to go to the Myers grave and that she was about 30 paces behind him. So let's go this way. I wonder if this is her with the blue flowers and the blue birds. Let's just walk up here and see. Yep, we found her. In memory of the girl in blue, killed by a train, December 24th, 1933. And the townspeople come and they leave little trinkets and coins and stuff that she was here. After about 60 years, I believe they said, she was finally identified as Josephine Kimzak. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. I meant to bring a token to leave for her, and I forgot. The people have left money to let the family know that they have come to visit her. Interesting. There you have it. The Girl in Blue tombstone in Willoughby, Ohio. I found it on, what is it? I always say it backwards. It is Atlas Obscure. And what that app is it labels different and unique things that are not normally found anywhere or known about. The unknown, I guess you could say. And I have found a lot of neat stuff by following that app. All right, let's head on down the road. That's it for this video today. Thanks for joining me. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. I'll be sure to answer you back. I appreciate each and every one of you. Y'all take care now. You hear? Bye.